If you've lost access to your First National Bank of Hutchinson account and cannot use your email, follow these steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all necessary personal information, including your full name, social security number, date of birth, and any account numbers you may have. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call the First National Bank of Hutchinson customer service number. Be prepared to provide the information you gathered in Step 1 for verification purposes. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided by the customer service representative to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or providing additional documentation. Step 4. Request account recovery. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Update your recovery options. After regaining access to your account, update your recovery options. Consider adding a phone number or an alternative email address to ensure easier access in the future. By following these steps, you can quickly recover your First National Bank of Hutchinson account without needing email access. Always keep your account information secure to prevent future issues.